In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging and rhythmic photo slideshow using CapCut. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner, this guide will help you craft a visually appealing project that's perfectly aligned to your chosen music track. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you will want to import your music and photos into CapCut. This is the foundational step, as the music will dictate the flow of your slideshow, and the photos will provide the visual component. To do this, open CapCut and navigate to the Media Import section. From here, you can easily drag and drop your files into the project. Ensure that your images are of good quality, as clarity in visuals enhances the overall viewing experience. Once you have your music and photos imported, take the music file and drag it into the audio track. This will lay the groundwork for your slideshow, allowing you to tailor the timing of your photos to the beats of the music. Listening closely to your selected track can help you get a sense of its rhythm and beat pattern, which will be crucial for the next steps. Now, click on the music track itself to bring up a variety of options. Look for the beat detection feature. This is an incredible tool that simplifies the editing process by analyzing the track and marking the beats visually. By using beat detection, you create an outline for where your photos should ideally appear, making each transition seamless and rhythmically compelling. With your beat markers in place, start aligning your photos to these markers. You can do this manually if you have a specific sequence in mind, ensuring each photo transitions in harmony with the music. Alternatively, if you're short on time or prefer a bit of automation, CapCut's Auto Beat Synchronization tool comes in handy. Found in the transition settings, this tool will automatically sync your images with the detected beats, giving you a professionally timed slideshow with minimal effort. After aligning your photos with the beat markers, it's time to add some smooth transitions between them. Transitions add a layer of professionalism and polish to your project. CapCut offers a variety of transitions that you can experiment with. From fades to slides, each option can provide a different mood or effect to your slideshow. Choose transitions that complement the rhythm and tone of your track, ensuring a cohesive and flowing narrative. And there you have it. Your photo slideshow is complete. By following these steps, you have created a dynamic and visually captivating piece that's perfectly synced with your music. Whether you're sharing memories with friends and family or creating content for a wider audience, this technique will help you deliver something truly special. Enjoy editing, and I can't wait to see what you create next.